This is clean.
One of our leading sponsors is a cool section.
That's
Yeah, you do now.
Brakes, full disc brake,
Would be good. Hey guys, so I'm on my way to dropping more from the back. I'm gonna take it to Ultimate Auto Boutique over there on Grant. But the front's good, just on this side. It doesn't sit right. You guys probably can't tell, but the right side is more like, it's like a finger more down, and then the right side is standing straight. But I'm trying to get rid of more of this gap right here. I have like 4 fingers of play. I'm trying to make it sit like right here, the fender. I have the C-nuts in the back, but I don't got time to install it right now. And like, look, I'm gonna show you guys how it sits there. Right here, you got 2 inches of play. Then on the other side, like it's barely like it's a finger, and like you can't even fit 2 fingers on here. I don't know why this side's sitting more down than the other side, but I'm gonna go fix it right now. But yeah, I want to get rid of more of that space in the back, drop it a little bit more. But it looks pretty good right now, but just the right side is kind of more low than this side. I don't know if you guys can tell. And this side be hitting crazy. You guys probably tall right there. And then I want to drop it more from the back because it looks like a cricket. Like the front's more down than the back and the rear. I want to have it static, leveled. Shit, too low, bro. I need to fucking lift it up from the back another inch, cause god damn, fucking finger don't even fit there, man. Too low. God damn. So this is much how she's sitting for right now. I got 4 fingers of play in the front, and then I got 2 in the back. I kind of want to drop it more from the front, but I like how it's sitting right now. Don't mind the lip either. It used to be lower than this, and well, I had to get like 2 brand new lips. The first one got toasted. The second one, yeah, that one got toasted too. But this is pretty much how she sits for right now. The next thing I'm gonna do is it's either I'm gonna get a muffler and like a full exhaust, brand new exhaust all the way to the back, or I'm gonna just Bondo it and then wrap it and then after get the exhaust. But I wanna get it now, since like, you know, it's not wrapped yet. So like when the guys do all that, like they don't mess up the wrap or nothing, no scratches or nothing. But I just want to Bondo some places. Like there's no dents on the doors or fenders, but there's like holes up here. I wanna cover these 2. If you pay attention to it, there's like little like indents. I wanna cover all these holes, make it flush. And then I wanna see what I do with the roll pen in the back. Cause I was gonna get a bumper, but I like the roll pen now. And well, it's not flush, so I wanna see either what I can do or what somebody can do, so I can make it flush and like flush it out, so like it looks like it's part of the bed. But yeah, that's pretty much how she sits right now.